Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. This is your English B teacher and today we are going to learn our topic simple past tense. Dear students, as we have discussed in our previous videos that we use simple past to talk about things that had happened at a specific time in the past. In making a positive simple past statement, the pattern is subject plus verb in past form. For examples, you saw me yesterday, Nick took his medicine, she gave you the book. So these are the examples of simple past tense. So students, when we make negative sentences, the formula is subject plus did not or didn't plus verb in base form. Students, when we make negative sentences, we don't use the second form of verb, we use the first form of verb. As you can see, you saw me yesterday, the simple sentence. You didn't see me yesterday, the negative sentence. Nick took his medicine. Nick didn't take his medicine. She gave you the book. She didn't give you the book. Now we will learn how to make interrogative sentences. And the formula of making the questions is did plus subject plus verb in base form. Students, again we are using the first form of verb with did. As you can see, you saw me yesterday and the question is, did you see me yesterday? Nick took his medicine. Did Nick take his medicine? And with, of course, with a question mark. Never forget to put a question mark in the end of a question. She gave you the book. Did she give you the book? So students, as you can see, we have used see, take and give with did, the first form of verb. Students, now we will do some more practice. Make sentences in simple past tense, positive, negative and question. First sentence is we went to Sandra's party. We will make negative sentence by using didn't and the first form of verb. We didn't go to Sandra's party. In question we use did we go to Sandra's party, and we have to use the question mark at the end of the question. At second sentence is the rain didn't stop this morning, and when we make the positive sentence we use the second form of verb. The rain stopped this morning. The rain didn't stop this morning. And the question is, did the rain stop this morning? So students, this is so simple and easy. I hope you are enjoying. Next sentence is, did she break the vase, which is question. We will make positive and negative. She broke the vase. And in negative, we will use she didn't break the vase. Students, as you can see, we have used the second form of verb in positive and the first form of verb in negative and question with did. Our next sentence is, I didn't eat breakfast, the negative form, and in positive, I ate breakfast. Did I eat breakfast? In the question, you closed the door last night. So we are going to use didn't with the first form of verb. You didn't close the door last night. And in question we will use did you close the door last night? Students, I hope your concept of the past indefinite tense of positive, negative and question statements is clear now, and you will definitely enjoy practice it at home. Now we will discuss some Urdu examples. As you can see, क्या तुमने नई किताब खरीदी? Did you purchase new book? We have used did with the first form of verb. क्या हमने अजायब घर देखा? Did we see the museum? क्या अली ने अपना सबक याद किया? Did Ali learn his lesson? क्या फ़रा स्कूल गई? Did फ़रा go to school? क्या अम्मी ने खाना पकाया? Did mother cook food? So students, as you can see, we have changed the Urdu sentences into English using first form of verb and with did. So students, practice these sentences at home. Stay safe. Thank you.